this is Neil, and we are going to do the unboxing for this new flash I bought today from Amazon. It's called Neewer NW580. It says 2.4G wireless, and this is gonna be the flash for my A6000 right here. So I basically bought this flash because there are times that we will be using the camera on a low light setting, like indoor or some night shots. So we would like to be flexible with the lighting because we don't want just a straightforward flash to this object, which gives a lot of brightness back to the lens. So now we've got this, and we are going to open and see what's inside. What do we got here? Okay, so the first thing that comes out is the, what do you call this one? I think this is called the remote control. So this can be put into the hot shoe of the camera like this. When you click on the shutter, then it's gonna send a signal to the flash and then it will be activated. So that gives us extra flexibility in using the flash, which we are going to see later. So it's the flash itself, and it comes in a cool bag, like a cotton bag here to keep the flash safe. So here we are. So we got the speed light NW580. This flash is run by 4 AA batteries, and luckily we are just charging up our 4 batteries here for this flash, and we are going to see it how it works later on. There is also the stand for the flash, just in case we are not going to use this flash as mounted on top of this camera. This small gadget here, this is the one that produces the wireless transmission to the flash. So it comes in a 23A 12-volt battery. I don't even know if it's rechargeable. I've never seen this small battery ever, so this is the first time. And it's gold, looking cute. Let's place the batteries right now. Right, so it's turning on right now. So the build quality of this flash, it is plasticky. The cover of the battery is also, hopefully this is durable, but it feels like plastic. The whole flash is plastic. My brother has been using this kind of flash before, and he's been using it for 4 years, and I've never heard any complaint or any problem from him. So I assume this one has good durability as well. So there are like modes here, so we just keep on clicking on the modes, and when the Wi-Fi signal comes out, I believe this is it, and let's press on test. Yeah, so it's working right now. Incredible. So let's try to have some good shot of this thing. So this is the flush. Let's say we are going to place it here, maybe a little bit at the back. Okay, and we'll take a good shot of you. Alright, smile. Okay, so I would say I'm impressed because the environment is actually a little bit dark since it's indoor, and I was using f6.3 with a shutter speed of 40 and ISO of 2000, and it produced a sharp image with high contrast. So now I'm quite happy with this technology of how the transmitter is attached to the camera and having the flash to be positioned independently. And lastly, we can also connect this flash to our camera. And just like the classic way, we are going to so far so good. I'm quite happy with the flush and excited right now. So yeah, thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please click like, subscribe and share.